How to fix Apple Pay not working on iPhone 17 Air Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, restart phone, click power button and volume down button. At that time, you will see slide to power off. So after power off, after restarting, enter phone passcode. You will see your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting click on general. Now here click on software update. You will check your software update is latest iOS 26. So if it latest, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So you will check your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so again click on settings. Now here scroll down and click on general. Now here scroll down to end, click on transfer or reset iPhone. So click on reset. So first of all, you will see click on reset all settings. So enter passcode. So enter again screen time passcode. So click on reset all setting. So it's just reset all setting, it's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Apple Pay not working on iPhone 17 Air Pro. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.